on the pavement, our boots are hot. Cupar's calling a small town tale, secrets hidden on every trail. Through the streets of Cupar we'll ride, hear the whispers of days long gone. River flowing, mills at play, orchard blossoms lead the way.
Alright folks, welcome back to Highland Explorer. Today we're ditching the car for a wee wander around the charming town of Cupar. And it all starts at the station car park. Try not to wince too much at the parking fee. It's a small price to pay for a day of historic exploration. Alright, our first stop is the River Eden. Hear the gentle gurgle? That's the sound of centuries flowing by. The Eden's always been the lifeblood of Cupar. Back in the day it powered mills, watered crops, and even provided a handy place to wash your socks. Hopefully not all at the same time. Up ahead you'll see Cow Bridge. Now don't worry, I am not about to start mooing. This bridge has a story all of its own. They say drovers used to herd their cattle across this very spot, hence the name. Imagine a whole herd of shaggy Highland cows splashing through the river. I bet those drovers had their work cut out for them. Let's just hope none of those cows ended up in somebody's laundry basket downstream. As we wander along the riverside, remember it wasn't always this peaceful. Cupar used to be a bustling hub of industry. The Eden was its powerhouse. Mills harnessed its flow to spin flax, weave linen, and even grind corn. Can you picture it? The clacking of looms, the rumbling of water wheels, a far cry from the gentle birdsong we hear today. They say you could walk across the Eden back then, hopping from one mill to the next. Must have been a bit like playing a very wet and slippery version of hopscotch. Sadly, most of those mills are gone now, replaced by trees and trails. Still, as we enjoy this riverside stroll, let's not forget the hard work and ingenuity that shaped Cupar's past.
Through the streets of Cupar we'll ride, hear the whispers of days long gone. River flowing, mills at play, orchard blossoms lead the way.
Alright, time to leave the riverside rumble behind and venture into something a little sweeter. The Orchard Walk. This place is bursting with history. Back in the day, monks used to cultivate fruit trees right here. Imagine them in their robes, tending to juicy apples and plump pears. It's like stepping into a medieval farmer's market. Sadly, the original orchards are long gone, but the name stuck and the spirit lives on. Every spring, this walkway explodes into a riot of blossom. Clouds of pink and white petals, the air heavy with sweet scent of nature's bounty. A wee slice of paradise, right in the heart of town. Mind you, those apples weren't just for snacking. I hear they were famous for making a rather potent cider. Bet those monks had a fun Friday. Well folks, that's our wrap on our little wander through Cupar. From the bustling River Eden and its tales of industry, to the Cow Bridge where visions of shaggy cattle still linger, and finally to the sweet serenity of the Orchard Walk. This town is packed with hidden surprises. Remember, sometimes the best discoveries are right under our noses, tucked away in everyday corners of our towns and villages. You don't need to trek up mountains to find beauty and history. Sometimes the best adventures come after stepping off the train. Keep exploring, my friends, and until next time.